got some tight rhymes are coming up. You better check out his whole tape. It's gonna be awesome. Woo! It's gonna be awesome, man. Right? Yeah. Hey. Ik wil weten wat er komt van binnen. Als ik spit te blowen. Als ik zit te blowen. Zit het in de chuster waar je bollen drukt me net te gauw. Hey. Yeah. Okay. I have to freestyle cause I freestyle now. This is the moment and the vibe that I'm feeling. This galactic, intergalactic with the finest vibe I can find from the inside. Moving from the outside to the inside. Moving always with my body or without it when I sleep. And I stay it when I peak on the peak out. Cause I stay on the peak out. See you now. Yes, I grew for the finer vibe. You can vibe with me? Okay, vibe with me then. And mean it like you really wanna do it. Like show it. Show your body and move it. Move it to the left, move it to the right, move it to the upside, move it to the downside, move it front, move it front, move it front. I need you, I need a fan. And one more, or just a few more, so I can keep going on with the rhyme that I'm saying on this microphone. It's magically cause I'm heaven. I'm in touch with the heaven. Actually, I'm in touch with many things. Maybe in the future I'm in touch with many more things I cannot see yet, but that's alright, yeah. It's alright, yeah. I'm not saying things about being rich or anything like this particular episode. Keep repeating in this sentence. Then they say what they want and I wanna leave it. Cause I wanna cheese it and I wanna achieve it with the right. I'm keeping it tight and I'm keeping it high from the inside. Cause I keep this rhyme from the keeping it tight, yeah. If you're not speaking words, well try to do it yourself and freestyle. Hey, this is from the top of the mind, top of the dome, top of the cone, top of the gnome, where I'm at. Okay, so some kind of cartoon where I'm at. So I'm just moving and I'm freestyling cause I can. Cause I kinda move y'all, I kinda move y'all. Move from the left to the right, to the up, to the down. I move y'all from the left to the right and I move y'all. Yeah, we move y'all from the left to the right, from the up to the down. And we move y'all, we can't stand still. Then we move y'all, we can't stand still and we move. Yeah, we move cause we wanna prove what's up in the mind of you and all the trouble, everything. Yes, this is a up down thing. Up down, yeah, we gonna downhill this thing. Okay, another thing of the bill of the change. What is happening right now? Yeah, I wanna freestyle, you wanna free my style, but my style is always more free and I'm private direct. Cause I'm not saying sick things around it. People don't always really like me if I feel like it. At least I feel like it, don't always like me if I'm still being so direct. But yeah, you're living in a lie, can't stand it. Can't stand it, that you live with a lie that you're leaving. And believing some words in some books that are based upon lies and based upon things that are removed from it. And you don't wanna see it. What is the source? Well, the source is it's already removed from what's happening. And we really reconnect some basic things we should know. And we should respect each other no matter what color our skin has. This is really a big thing. And we can remove all the dirty things around in the environment and keep it clean and remove them. So it's just nice for us to see where we at and then already can move around and think, yo, this place is nice cause this place is so clean. Hey, cleaning of the inside, cleaning of your room is very important when we hear a day again. It's a mix of today, a mix of another day. So we slay the beasts that are around here, but they don't really have to slay cause I'm just choosing for the light path. And it's always a long path, there's nothing wrong with that. Cause like I move with it, like I move fun with it. I move from the inside to the outside, y'all. From the left to the right, y'all. Yeah, I move from the in to the outside, from the out to the inside while I sleep. Yeah. Sharing some knowledge straight in your face. Hey. Yeah, we're gonna grow. Some practice when I freestyle, and I wanna style the freestyle, cause I freestyle like I'm skateboarding over a while. And I'm gonna kick in, cause I'm gonna bring in every language that is spoken to. And then so many languages, I can believe there are 6,272 different languages. So I feel kinda ashamed that I'm only talking about like 3 or 4 or 5, something like this, and I'm freestyling it and I'm communicating with it over the web and under the web and under some web. What? I can hear you. I think you kinda whack, but that's not really what my opinion is about. I really wanna appreciate all the different styles and say hi, and I wanna smile because this is up in a while, and this is up once you gonna kick in. I'm gonna kick in, I'm gonna bring in the best styles, gonna bring in the better styles, cause I wanna freestyle. I wanna freestyle, so you style free-minded people and aligned people, so we can grow for some bigger bigger missions that you had on yourself, cause you're based upon the ego. Letting go of the ego is a healthy thing, so grow on it and be on it and move on it like you're moving in a community, like you see in it. Not only talk about it like you wanna have the big first word or some big ideas, but do it, move from out communities, man. Move from out of your brothers and your sisters. Share with your brothers and your sisters like you care for them, like it's yourself and your own well. Like it's the same Buddhistic idea, you don't hurt someone else, cause we're all one and we're all connected with each, and everything is connected with each other. When we're saying this on the mic like this, cause I wanna share with this what's up with the mic, and I wanna say this cause I freestyle. Now you get the words right, yeah. I wanna freestyle cause I style the free-minded. Hey, I wanna freestyle cause I style the free-minded. No anxiety can stop us, cause we fall above it. Yo, no anxiety can stop us, cause we fall above it. Yeah, no anxiety can stop us, cause we fall above it. And you can listen to this in the day, and I'm rhyming this, y'all, in the night. It's a display, hey, of what you can say and what I can't say, and reach out with each other with on a mic like this. Like I have an open mic all night on myself. Hey, this is great for you, this is great for myself, and it's not really better, cause I'm just practicing my freestyle so you can hear and listen to this crazy ass beats, y'all. They're so nice and funky nice, y'all. Playing it like jazz, it's not really about the past, it's about the future, so we can move on like we saying some movies and check out what's up. Cause they tell a story about a world, so they can always move from the other side. Tell something about us and look about the metaphors, y'all. Yeah, look about the metaphors, y'all. Better you go to some art movies, y'all. Hey, what's the hook of this verse? What's the hook of this? Hey. Yeah, freestyle, free-minded. It's the freestyle, free-minded. Yo, a freestyle for the free-minded, and you hope I can dig with this, you can dig with this, next to us, cause we connected like one, like you don't hurt another. For your brothers and sisters, take care for one another, take care, y'all, yeah. Woo. Take care for each other, y'all, it's important thing, man. Yo, we're still here, man. Yo, shout out to Patrick E.T. who lost his father, is still standing here, you understand? It's a big thing, man. It's here like whoa. Okay, next subject is the question of the summer. What's the question of the summer? It's the question of the summer. I wanna explain it, I wanna explain it in a freestyle. I wanna explain the question of the summer in the freestyle. The question of the summer is that the seasons are disappearing. In the mountains, the seasons are changing so quickly that I only can make some fire. I mean, the things, what is happening, they're losing everything, what is creating there. Cause then there is sun and then there is snow. Within 2 weeks it's shifting so quickly. And the winds, I understand, are not passing so far from the equator, so we are kind of far. Yeah, shit. Yeah, we should change it immediately. Yeah, with a big importance. I don't wanna judge you if you're still flying around these days, but I mean, it's just an energy, and we can inspire each other, share some conscience with each other. about fears and about other things, cause we can leave this and be with this. We can flow like this. Yeah, I free the mind for the free-minded people. It's the question of the summer, y'all. It's the question of the summer, it's the question of the summer, and I let go of the ego and understand that some bigger plans are happening right now. That we're moving and shifting to other dimensions, shifting up to the fifth dimension. It's happening, it's happening. The distance is so different when you're moving to other dimensions. Yo, Einstein said so many far away. 400,000 years or 400 light years from here. It's a far distance. But not if you're in a soul that can move in other dimensions, like the fifth or seventh dimensions. Those are our friends. So many people have learned the lessons on this earth right now. For 26,000 years, it's a cyclus of this earth. But it's not really straight, it's a bit in the curve. Hey, this is really what's up, yeah. I wanna repeat it to the question of the summer, the question of the summer, yeah, the question of the summer, and I share some knowledge with you. Share some knowledge with the brothers and the sisters for you, cause we can align and we can grow to one pieces. No matter what other color we have, are we saying this? Or what color or eyes have, I can say things. And my eyes must have been blue. I mean, they must have been light too. So you can know that I'm into deep waters. Oh, I'm definitely into deep waters. I'm also a diver, so I'm definitely into deep waters, y'all. Just the question of the summer I wanna explain, and I wanna get to you with this consciousness that I wanna share with you. Like I'm not driving any plane, no more. I wanna let it go, but I wanna move around still for a little bit if I can choose for it. So I can move like this, and I can move with it. I can move around for my brothers and my sisters and my lovers. It's for one humanity, one community. That you wanna grow like we're sharing this, like we're on the island. Hey, one love for each other, y'all. One love back to Zion, y'all. Yeah. One love for each other, y'all. One love for each other. One love for each other. Hey, yeah. It's one love for each other, yeah. No disrespect to one another. It's one love for another, yeah. One love for another, like with each. And everything is connected with each other, y'all. Everything is connected with each other. Now you understand? I hope you understand what's happening to my mind. Cause you have a story like and comment whatever that flips. But I'm here on my own and it's in the night somewhere I can sleep and prepare for the day of tomorrow. But instead of sleeping I'm recording this cause of today. I had this idea of doing freestyle tapes every day of this week while I'm still here with a studio mic in front of me. So I had this possibility. Hey, do you see? Do you see? Now you see I'm cool with the finest taste, y'all. Yeah, man. I feel like switching up some language, like, hey, gaat eraan komen, wat gaat eraan komen, wat gaat eraan komen? Kunnen we omkloten of kunnen we waarde geven voor de bomen die zuurstof afgeven, CO2 op de aarde en daaromheen ozonlaag gaan naartoe doen. En ze beschermen dat we hier nu nog steeds zijn. Of is het oké dat we onze les allemaal geleerd hebben in deze duizenden jaren? Dat we hier op deze aarde mochten zijn, in deze frequentie, in deze lichamen. Dat we hier dan zijn en hier dan onze meningen van vinden en de meningen over vinden. Ondertussen zitten jullie nog te kleineren over elkaar en te discrimineren. Maar laat het maar gaan en kom in hogere sferen. Kom in veel hogere sferen. Dat is wat er opkomt als je in de kunst en cultuur zit. Daarin geloof man. Tuurlijk geloof ik in andere realiteiten dan wat er nu is. Het is slechts een tijdelijkheid waar we in ons nu in bevinden. Dus laat het maar gaan, laat het ego ook los. En ga voor de faam, of ga voor de fame, of ga voor whatever the fuck ja in mijn brain. Kom, want ik heb no limit en I'm going cause I have no anxiety. Ik heb geen angsten, nee ik ga gewoon door. Heb geen angst voor de dood, sterf ik morgen. Oké, dan ben ik tenminste ook verlost van een hele hoop. En dat vind ik eigenlijk best wel fijn dat ik het mag zeggen op het rijm. Waarin ik het zeg. En dan vind ik fijn dat ik het met je kan delen. Want ik heb dit gegeven als een geven. Als we wiskunde sommen of een natuurkundige som. Dat je dan weer oplost met de manier aan de hand. En daar nog verleerd van wat is er aan de hand. Mensen zitten tussen jaren om te kunnen kijken wat er gaat gebeuren of wat er gaat ervaren. Hey, ik wil die kant op, hey, ik wil die kant op. Nee, ga vooral voor je eigen dingen. Moet je eigen God. En vergroot wat je kent en vergroot wat je bent. Want je groeit toch, want je groeit toch. Ga niet te veel luisteren naar die oude zeikers. Die willen zeiken aan de zijkant. De zeikers blijven staan aan de zijkant. Ondertussen ga ik mee met de master moves. Ga ik mee met de master moves. De master moves die willen komen op deze dagen. Je wilt nog meer van mijn freestyle. I gonna freestyle some quicker. This is definitely some quicker. There's some other style and you hear it like liquor. Yeah, you drinking too much, you better stop it. And you better listen to some healthy things. What's up for your mind? I feel like something is staying with me and something is fading with me. And someone is joining with me. I feel the energy raising up in this mood. And I'm listening up, I'm listening up. Ja, ik weet wat er komt, dat er komt van deze dagen en de ene bent gong. In een bent gong als een ding dong. Die dit met je ongeslaat wat de ding dong. Dit en het is kleren mij, het is kleren mij. En de kleren de mij. En kleren de mij, kennen hoe dat komt, yeah. Want het is Dirk die er komt. En Dirk zei dat we met een Fries gewinnen. Het is te heeg in het noorden. Het is te heeg in het noorden. Ik hoor je alleen het leger dingen scoren. Omdat we iets moet hinnen en in druk stand te dienen. Omdat we dat maar je vinden, ja man. Het is toen om af en toe even een hasje op een blowshirt. Alleen dan vind ik dan af en toe hoeft het denk ik net. Ik ken het best weg voor een man en net man. Dat ik het niet zoek dan, net het man. Hey, en die mening er hoor ik je best wel zou wijzen. Maar het is zeg maar een oordeel ervan. Hey, ik ben cool sowieso als ik rap dit oor. Dus wat was er nog van? Hey. Yeah man, just total freedom. Whatever you create total freedom. Then share it, I say so, yo. Yo, if I look at the waveform, it's like I'm an instrumental. And I am rapping constantly. Cause I am an instrumental. And I rap constantly. I am an instrumental. And I rap constantly, yo. I am an instrumental. And I rap constantly. Cause I am an instrumental. And I rap constantly, yo. I am an instrumental. And I rap constantly, yeah. You wanna bring on some fight to me. What's up with this then? Do you think you can cop up with me? Probably you can, but maybe you're not and then you fuck. Damn man, hey. Where you at, where your brain at? Are you in this higher atmosphere so you gone? You better be gone and leave it for what it is. I'm not in the trouble with you and leave you on every state of mind you're on. And leave you with the circles you're on. I'm on the next phase and I'm bigger and I speak like I'm an instrumental and I'm trying to speak clear so you can know and you can hear what's up in the mind and I can understand and you can understand myself because this is for the brothers, the sisters, the lovers like hip hop. I'm in it like infinite waters. Oh, actually like music cause hip hop is so contained and so restless than every word that we press on. Some words that we can choose from a printer today. I've written some film sentences. Actually I don't even know the word. Do you get it? It's not my mother tongue, but I'm speaking it and I'm practicing it. I keep my mind straight and I'm keeping it tight so you know what's up and I have a no fight. I just have to grow on and focus upon the light so you know what's up when I'm having this tight vibes and I focus this cause I speak like I'm an instrumental. I keep talking constantly. I speak like an instrumental. I speak constantly, yeah. I speak like an instrumental. I speak constantly, yeah. I speak like an instrumental, yo. I keep talking constantly, yeah. I speak like an instrumental, yo. I speak constantly, yeah. I speak like an instrumental. I speak constantly so you can flow and feel and vibes with me. Yes, I feel lighter when I can share this. So that somewhere on the web feels makes me feel me like less whack or less like, oh shit, I lost so many things and I didn't press any press kit or any CD while I was touring out all summer. It's a big bummer, and I wanna meet emails, so many emails from the tapes I recorded before, but it's shitty is that it doesn't really work cause the files are too big and I have to put in some more attentions. But at the same time, I'm working on some video projects and I had this and this on. It took me 5 or 6 weeks to meet everyone in the town where I'm around. Yeah, now I'm back, but I'm already leaving again. But maybe I'm staying cause it's changeable plans. And I talk like I'm an instrumental. Changeable plans. Plans are changeable. We better choose for the best, y'all. To come, y'all. Changeable plans. De plannen zijn veranderlijk. Dan gaan we verder over. Ja, hey, de plannen zijn veranderlijk. Niet veranderlijk, maar wel verankelijk. Als een anker dat je op neergooit. Diep in de zee gooit. Op een zeebodem. De SpongeBob en Patrick ook nog tegenkomt. Want de plannen zijn veranderlijk. Als een anker die je neergooit, diep in de bodem. Waar je dan als SpongeBob en Patrick tegenkomt. Patrick ster, ben ik op een ster? Of ben ik op een ster? Of ben ik op een visioen dat ik spreken ken? En het meerengt en het meebrengt. Want je weet toch, mijn stem wordt verlengd. Door deze dagen, de duisternis en verlichtenis. De dingen komen in elkaar om. Er is geen zwarte wit, er is geen plaatjes plakken op dingen die goed of fout zijn. Beter overgroei je dat, dan kom je in hogere sferen. Weet je nog eventjes van die ene of die tweede keren waarvan je moet leren. Deel het met elkaar, de beste mag het weten en deel het met elkaar. In een groepgesprek of aan elkaar vertellen wat er aan de hand is, ben je gek. Ik heb meerdere verhalen in door elkaar waarin ik over kan rappen, maar ik heb het hek. Yo, echt shit die ik hierheen breng, want je weet toch dat ik hier nog mee snack. En je weet toch, ja je weet toch, wat van die Antillianen, maskers of Australianen, want we gaan nog kanen van chips of zo, of iets gezond dat ik binnen kan nemen. Ik hou van eten, ik hou ook van koken, ik hou van het geven en nemen. Jij zit nog steeds in het overdrijven, jij zit nog steeds op het laten over lijken. Jij zit nog steeds in de brengenbow stijlen. Jij weet niet eens wat je gaat morgen brengen. Jij weet niet eens wat je morgen gaat ontdekken. Jij weet niet eens hoe je ruimte gaat krijgen. Jij praat nog steeds over geld. Jij praat niet eens over ruimte in je leven. Ik denk dat je dat eigenlijk bedoelt, want geld is zo misselijk maken. Het is een misvatting dat daar een antwoord in ligt, snap je dat? Dan pas kom je bij het licht. Dan pas kom je bij mijn mening die daar ligt. En dan pas kun je begrijpen hoe ik daarin zit. Want ik ben een beetje op dreef gemaakt van deze beat. En ik snaak daarna. Jij wil meer maken van dit of meer maken van iets anders. Wat wil je er dan doen? Dit zijn freestyles die ik oefen op deze ding. Of wil je iets anders zeggen? En dan mag je het ook wel verleggen. En tegen me zeggen of tegen me brengen. Alsof je een potje schaak met je speel niet eens veel schaak. Maar met wie ik dan speel, versla ik gewoon. Omdat het kan op die dingen. En ik speel de strategie en leer meteen van de vijand. Of leer meteen van de ander en pas het toe, zodat ik alweer verder kan. De laatste keer was in Tilburg met een maatje die daar steekboeken uitbrachten. Wat zei je, tegenboeken? Ik zei tekenboeken, stripboeken. Yeah, dat is cool man, dat is cool. Net als dingen in de artist world. We have to share it, have to know and acknowledge it. Yeah. Sharing some creativity in the streets, in the lights. Yeah, where we be, yeah. We wanna see some green in the streets, yeah. Yeah. We wanna see some green in the streets. I don't like that. Just stay in the jungle. I don't like it, man. I don't like that. Stay in the jungle. It's like we have to breathe, man, and be in contact with nature, like big time, like seriously, like it's a ride, y'all. Yo. Next thing is about rent, because I feel like talking about rent, whatever language I spend. Hey, woo. You wanna earn a lot, but where you choosing for the fight, and where you sharing your money to? They're just going through some excellent things to people who already have enough of the shit. Yeah, you're into this shit, cause you have not a clue why. If I just wanna see it and say why. Actually, what is that why? It's actually waving with your hand, but not in the Dutch language where I'm from. Actually, Frisian where I'm from. Actually, it's a mix-up where I'm from. It's not where I'm from, it's where I'm at. So I'm talking and representing at this place. So you know how I rhyme, how I glide with the fine rhyme. I was fine with the vibes I was sharing yesterday, but now I think this is much better. Yo, these beats are much better. Up top, up top. Iederien, flow 5, alle namen ken je van mij. Multiple choice identity, and I'm choosing this, cause I'm not only doing one thing. I'm like the bridge. I am like the bridge cause I'm sharing the knowledge. Yo. I'm like the bridge cause I'm sharing the knowledge. I'm like the bridge cause I'm sharing the knowledge. I'm like the bridge cause I'm sharing the knowledge. I'm like the bridge cause I'm sharing the knowledge. This is for real. Hey. I'm like the bridge cause I'm sharing the knowledge. I'm like the bridge cause I'm sharing the knowledge. We are like the bridge cause we are sharing the knowledge. And you are my brother, you are my friend. You are listening with your headphone on. You are listening with the boxes. You are listening to this with some friends. You are just chilling in the evening. You're just having some sipping and some smoking. It's alright, man, cause this is hip hop, man. Yeah. What's up again, man? Breakfast, what's up? Look like. Hey. Yeah. Share so you know, y'all. Freestyle. Really real. I feel like I should say something about the spirit of rap. Spirit of rap is the energy that you're getting with, and you're having with, and I'm having with, and I'm having and I'm sharing with it. Hey, so you know what's up, and I'm grooving from the one to another side, moving from the left to the right side. And I'm always on the right side. Always is a big word, but you know how I heard it. And I heard it cause it's for certain. And I'm growing cause I wanna know what's up in the mind. I wanna know what's up in the tightest vibe. So you can vibe with the finest vibe. And I can grow a line, and you can grow a line with the finest vibe. Again, I do a shout out to A Marre in Senegal, y'all. Senegal, y'all. Yeah, we're cleaning the streets and we're cleaning the minds. We're cleaning the streets and we're cleaning the minds. We're cleaning the streets and we're cleaning the minds. We're cleaning the streets and we're cleaning the minds. Cleaning the rooms. We're cleaning the streets and we're cleaning the minds. We let go what is not really tight. We're cleaning the streets and we're cleaning yeah, we're cleaning the minds. Let go what is not really tight. Yeah. Evolve, man. Evolve. Yeah, getting connected with the ether. Evolve. Care about the ozone and let's flow. Hey, evolve. It's the same, man. Hey, same. Shout out to Same. I think it's a great graffiti artist, you know, around the Netherlands and bigger, you know. So it's tight. Woo, man. Wondering what's next, cause I'm just saying what's next is up with the blessing. Thoughts of the vibes that we come up with next. I can see what's up next. It's just some dreamy worlds that we can share with each other. I was rapping myself and I had a warm moment, and now I'm into a colder moment, cause I am just changing, vibration, saying this with love, sharing this with the eye saw on things that we can be caught of. So many language, 6,272. I'm just using 3. Better could say 2, cause there will be a rhyme, but I keep it tight, keep it real. For the things that I share with you, so you know what's up probably. I'm in the next level, I'm a high atmosphere. it, cause it's the spirit of rap. Yo, I'm talking about it. China Mar, shout out again, cause I love it. What they brought here, and what they're doing with it. They're cleaning the streets and we're cleaning the minds. Yeah, we have to recycle ourselves. Cause this is voor de brothers and sisters and lovers. En voor de farm en de leren. En hier op deze kant die nog wat van mij willen leren. Hey, en nog wat van mij leren willen eens. Want eens komt altijd eens het hardwoord in het Fries together. Dan het lieve, dat komt letter. Hey. Ja, dat is ik een grammaticale les PT. Ja, dat is ik een beat. Stukje Friese kennis, dat je het echt biedt. We verleren die dingen, maar de Friese taal is lieke oud. Als ongeveer het Grieks of zo. In ons geval in die richting of zo. En het is ozon dat zelfs het Duits, het Nederlands en het Engels vanuit het Fries baseert is. Dat Fries loyaler is. Dus is hoe vier het keer. Ja, jammer dat we dan zo'n stukje lieds lonen. Ha. En dat de rest apart gaat letten. Maar dat jouwt net, want een belangrijke les is om te leren dat we los moeten litten van het nationalisme. Want dat zet dingen grotendeels in elkaar om. En dat zorgt net voor vrede en dat zorgt net voor verbroedering. Het maakt het net uit waar hij bij komt. Het maakt het net uit hoe die erin uitzocht. Het maakt het net uit hoe hij klinkt. Het maakt het net uit wat ze doen. Iedereen is welkom en iedereen mij leren van mijn koor en mijn koor. Iedereen mij leren van mijn koor en mijn koor. Iedereen mij leren van mijn koor en mijn koor. Iedereen mij leren van mijn koor en mijn koor. En dat is mijn wierhyd, dit ik deel mij die. Iedereen mij leren van de koor en mijn keer. Iedereen mij leren van mijn koor en mijn koor. En dat is mijn wierhyd, dit ik deel mij die. Iedereen mij leren van mijn koor. En iedereen mij leren van mijn koor. En dat is mijn wierhyd, dit ik deel mij die. En dat is mijn wierhyd, dit ik deel mij die. Yeah, everybody can learn, yeah. Doesn't matter how you look, yeah. Yeah, that's my truth I share with you. You know, no matter how you're looking, what's up, you know. Doesn't matter. Sober freestyles too. Yeah, this Dirk. Just this new age kid, yeah. Sterre kinderen, laat je horen op een microfoon. Indiego kids, laat je horen op een microfoon. Sensitieve kids, laat je horen op een microfoon hoe het gewoon kan. Ga niet te veel luisteren naar die leraren, die snappen er niks van. Kan zo zijn dan, shit man, het is ook cool. En ik groei op dat een Ruben is, of een Rudolf is, of een leider voor heel veel kids. Want ik ben de shit. En ik stap dan ook gewoon in shit. Ik plaats mezelf stuk, want ik stap er gewoon in. Het stinkt een beetje als een HUT. Hey, yo, je weet toch nog wel dat ik niet hou van die stinkende dingen en de weg ben. En af en toe ook denk van, ik laat wel wegrennen, ben er wel klaar mee, voel het niet. Ben niet zo heethoofdig en ben niet zo van afgaan op je laagste 3 chakras. Maar laat het gaan naar de bovenste 4 chakras. Dat zijn mijn batras, dat zijn mijn lessen man. Als ik terugkijk met de dames met wie ik was, vind ik het ook wel terecht dat ze niet altijd te gek vonden als ik aan de boobie zat. Yo, het is me overkomen, ik kan er achteraf wel verleren. We hoeven niet alleen te keren, hey. We hoeven niet alleen maar te smeren, hey. We hoeven niet alleen maar te zitten in de laagste toon. En deze maatschappij is getoond leren op de onderste 3 chakras. Wat is dat dan? Het is mijn batra, of mijn matra, of mijn dingen dit ik zeg als een tata. What the fuck, ja dus dat hey, we gaan het u nog meebrengen. We gaan het jullie meeswengen. Deze beat is heet als een lekkere. Hey, we gaan het delen met elkaar. Ik speel met elkaar en ik speel het klaar. Hey, want je gaat het geven en gaat het overnemen. De hele game is verziekt en dus kom ik het nu helen. Hey, als een betere of een slang die weet dat de gift spuiten moet om dingen te helen. Beter te weten vanuit bewustheid, daarom dat te helen. In plaats van allemaal mijn stofjes toe te nemen. Dus niet goed voor je lichaam. Misschien wat wietolie nemen. Om toch rustig te geven. Hey, maar laat je longen ook eens rustig geven. En doe het aan die oefening om te leven. Stoppen met overleven, maar met leven. Dat zijn de taken van het leven, dus ik ga het geven. En je weet, ik kom het overnemen. Yo, we zijn net als beesten, maar dan wel de lieve. En dan al die dingen zitten in ons, zitten in mij. Ik ben als een kei, er zit nog in het klei. Je weet dat wij dingen overspugen en dingen overstijgen. Om dingen te bereiken, hogere sferen kijken. Naar dingen die ertoe op lijken. Kom je wel binnen of zit je te vergelijken met die stomme dingen en met die domme dingen. Laat die dingen toch links liggen, jongen, als je wil komen op deze hogere sferen. Deze hogere beats naar je toe wil laten komen keren. Hey, 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 D-I-R-K, flow 5. Zoveel namen, doesn't really matter, just here. Aanwezig, man. Aanwezig, only when the eyes are closed, we say, y'all. Your eyes opening, definitely. Yeah. Yeah, we vibrate with the whole body. Yeah. From the first to the seventh chakra. And all that's besides it. So we know where we can grow to alignment and for the show, and we can share some love from in to another side. Wherever you're placing us, we can share knowledge with each other, like we can hear from one to another, and we can know what's up and share this vibe, because we wanna know and we feel the love. It's one love. It's one love. It is one love. It's a big word, but we have to resemble it in our life and be critical. Maybe not a lot, maybe not too much, but it's always good to be on a daily basic, focused up on the growth, cause nothing can stop us right now. This is what's up, y'all. The people around me, I see they're scared to grow, and I see inside of them there is things that really stopping them, and so many people are still talking bad about themselves, even if it's just in those little words that is choose and saying to each other. Today I was walking past by a roundway door. He said you always died, almost died if I didn't take a step back. No, I'm just clean in the moment. Are you crazy? No, I'm just here to let you know that I'm alright, and I'm not really in touch with that. I'm in touch with life. I'm in touch with life. I'm not in touch with those things, and those things are not happening to me. They are far from me. Yes, I remember one night we were next to some trains, and just wanna feel the vibrations and wanna feel some safety while the trains were passing. No gardens and no blanket, no fences over there, so you know everything was possible, but we weren't in contact with dying over there. We're in contact with living, just a living soul. I'm an old soul, about more than 70 lives that I had before this life. And there was an Inca I know, and I used to work with my bare hands as a small kid to use some other people demands or whatever that I can see. I also one time died as a sacrifice. Als een mummie ben ik ooit een keer dood gegaan. Dat weet ik ook, dat vertrouw ik dan op dit moment. Later verandert dan, dan deel ik dat dan weer met je. Maar kom je wel met me, kom je wel me volgen, of kom je ook gewoon reflecteren en iets van me horen. Want er is geboren vanuit deze tonen waar je nu naar mag horen. Want ik kom het spreken en ik kom het geven, dus je mag het nu. Al ben je verlegen, van me overnemen en met me mee gaan viben, met me gaan rijmen. Dat is wat we doen. Hoe ik ben begonnen, dat was op een fiets, ja dat was dan toen. Hoe ik ben begonnen, dat was dan op een fiets, ja dat was dan toen. Ik merk nu dat de beat nog even doorgaat, dus ik ga door met de slang. Eigenlijk kan ik ook nog wel een refrein inbrengen, maar ik kan het ook wel overslaan. Zo van rappers die zeggen hebben dat niet meer nodig te hebben. Dit is hoogstapelige dingen die je kunt meemaken. Wie is deze gast? Iemand die zichzelf serieus neemt en respect heeft voor zijn dromen. Hey, is toch genoeg gezegd? Ja, maar respect voor je dromen, man. Respect voor je passies. Zet ze voorop, man. Niet andersom. Dat je, deze bouwstenen zijn deze dingen in het leven. Nee, man. Weg daarmee, man. Gewoon, no fear. Just continue about your passions and grow. Nothing is stopping us. We feel the vibe, you know. Hey. Ain't no thing. Ain't no people who can be controlling about what is happening. If I be falling, no, I'm not phoning. I'm just controlling the mic and I'm controlling my voice. Cause I wanna share some knowledge with you, and I wanna vibrate with each other, so you can know what's up in another, so I can grow from one to another. I don't need no competition to show off or to know that I'm vibing. I can be freestyling on the block, and now I'm having this luxury to have something like a Glock. I mean, it's a mic in front of the knock. Hard knock life, where we grow to. Every life is hard if you show to, and if you can step above the difficulties, and you can step up any things that you have. Many people are addicted to sugars. Many people are addicted to coffee. Many people are addicted. Let it go and overgrow. Find some alignment so you can know that you have some mission to follow, mission to pursue, and mission to share with you and another. Like the baby boo, don't start children too soon if you ask me, but take care for the children that are already here if you ask me. But that's my opinion, and I'm right clear and awake. I want you to be the same. I want you to do this in your mic anyway, so you can know what's up on this surprisingly. It's like heaven on earth, straight here, where we're controlling each other by love, not by any anxiety, not by any controlling, but out of love and out of trust, so you can trust the vibes that we must share with each other. It's alright, so you can fight with the finest vibes we can share for another life, another dimension. Let's talk about those things that happen before this life, so we can know you and I, we've met before in another life. Let's say it's all normal. Let's share this brothership, let's share this sistership, let's share this, and let's share it. But you're based upon lies, or based upon things that are missing. Whole communities are moving aside from what is really I. Bad pride that you cannot really have. I think I should fight, or I should fly away of all those things, but I'm not fighting. I'm choosing non-dualistics, cause I'm not fighting, and I'm gonna explain what I'm gonna meaning with non-dualistics. It's not vibrating, it's like the water. If it's going up, you don't go up again, but you let it be. Like the water, but you leave it be. And if someone is throwing a stone to me, I just leave it be and say, yo, this stone is nice, I can build a house with it. I'm not throwing it back, I'm not growing any anger to myself or to another. I just leave it be. That's the whole point. Peace. My name is Dirk. Muziek, al die dingen. Some people call me Dirk Arts and Music, but it's all just the name. It's just this voice. It's about higher our frequency, our being, and trust. This is a piece of light and love, shared right here. Hopefully for you to hear. It's actually already a miracle if you can, because it traveled far. Nowadays it's not this far, because with these techniques it's all possible. And many people can just record these things I'm doing right here. But still it is, because the bigger medias over there are being controlled by people who live from out of fear. They can build up some kind of pyramid if they want, that's alright. But doesn't mean I have to collide with them or be unconscious of what they're doing with those techniques. The light sides are growing and growing and growing, and we're all knowing, it's time for a different vibe. If I look around or be around, I still see so many people who are just moving from out of anxiety, like my friends, everything where I grow up. But one time it will be changing, because all this is a temporary state of mind, It's all changeable. I don't want to talk with people who say it's not changeable, because it is changeable. Immediately, quickly, fast. Every day is a big gift. And we share with each other, yeah, forever and forever.